The purpose of this module is to describe the outdoor installation procedure for a 1+1 MPT MC link. The procedure can be divided into two phases. The first phase concerns the preparation and the assembly of the MPTs and coupler on the ground. The second phase concerns the installation of the assembly on the pole mounting. First, let's see how to prepare the MPTs. Start by setting the polarization to the H position in order to match that of the coupler ports. Remember that this does not define the resulting link polarization. Perform the same operation for the second MPT. Now the MPTs are ready to be installed on the coupler. Check the polarization of the coupler and modify it if necessary. Then put the silicone grease on the O-rings. Now install the two MPTs on the coupler. Then secure them by locking the 4 hooks. After that, place the EMF stickers on each solar shield to have the assembly ready to be mounted on the pole. This concludes the first phase of the outdoor installation. The second phase concerns the installation of the assembly on the pole, assuming that the antenna is already installed. Begin by lubricating the antenna O-ring using the silicone grease. Then install the assembly on the antenna. Secure by locking the 4 hooks. And connect one grounding cable to each MPT. The installation is now completed.